Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Colorado key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, including any existing ones you want to keep working. Make sure you are inside your vehicle with all doors securely closed. Then, insert a currently working key into the ignition. This initial step is crucial for preparing your vehicle for the programming sequence. To enter programming mode, turn the ignition to the on position, then immediately turn it off. You need to repeat this on and off cycle 2 more times for a total of 3 cycles. After the 3rd cycle, your vehicle should chime, confirming that it has successfully entered the key fob programming mode. This chime is your signal to proceed. Now, take the new key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the unlock and lock buttons on the fob. Continue holding these buttons for approximately 15 seconds. You will know the programming is successful when the vehicle's doors automatically lock and then unlock. If you have more fobs, repeat this exact step for each one. To exit the programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the on position once more. You can then remove the key from the ignition. It's important to test all your key fobs, both new and old, to confirm they are working correctly. Check the lock, unlock, and any other functions to ensure everything is programmed as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.